Hello my friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Sonic. In this video, I am going to share a best exchange platform Bitunix. There is no VPN required, no KYC. Services are available in all the countries where Binance, Bybit and Bitget are restricted such as the United States and Europe. So if you want such a platform, there is. I am going to providing link in my video where you can find, and if you are new on my YouTube channel Crypto Sonic, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. First come on the Bitunix where you can get successful trading pair more than 200 pairs, like there is sport trading. If you want to do sport trading or future trading, both are available and we can do it. Next detail is about that what are the main features that you can grab on it. So there you can easily check out that there are many new startups, new listing of different peers. But here is also 200 plus cryptocurrencies pair are available in this spot trading. You can also do your startups, and there you can select your favorite currency, and then you can make the profit on it. So there is also, if you want to buy, there is buy option. There is also selling option very easily, and you can also check out there is limited and market order too. What price you need, you can check out each even everything. So if you want to know more detail about on the home interface, that is basically a better and best option for you at this time, where you can start your new trading pairs. You can also compare with the market analysis, what is the price and how it is going to increase. You can check out each and everything about it. This can be said one of the best thing, and there you can check out the top trending coin, and there is low slippage fee and high liquidity, and you can check out that there are several rewards that is given to their community. Why you have to choose and what is the Bitunix? There you can start investment. There is also 1336 crypto club. Here is friendly interface and anyone can work on it. There is nothing issue like you need restricted or there is some error, but there is everything is smoothly working now, so you can build your cryptocurrency future here. Next detail is about why you have to choose, because there is a secure and a best ecosystem with transparent, no hidden charges are implemented. There is seamless and there is insight services are available 24/7. Whatever you need, you can do contact with them. There are seamless, mean everyone can enjoy the benefit, and $10 investment is required from the starting investment, so you can do easily. This is just a little amount, and next you can begin your best journey with effortlessly. Here is the Bitunix, and I am pretty sure that you are going to join. You can create your account very easily. There you can create the Bitunix account, you can deposit the fund, you can start trading in just 3 steps. You can be a trader, and there are many reviews on different articles writer, so you can read about, so you can explore more details. Here is the Yahoo Finance, there is Next Coinpedia, and there is the Neos Crypto. So Bitunix is one of the best thing at this time, because your crypto exchange, and anytime you can download their application into your mobile phone as a Bitunix, one of the best exchange with a lot of options, so you can be one of that. And now, how to buy their crypto asset? There is also P2P. If you need third party, you can click on it, or you want P2P, there is also a best option to you, where you can select the USDT currency here and how much USDT you want to sell. You can check out the payment method are available. If you want to like payment method, there is also according to your country, basically you can select here. If you want to buy, you want to sell, there is each and everything has been provided, and just you need to come join, and then you can easily work. And you can also search your country here, what currency you need and you require. Here you can check out the payment method. According to that, you can buy, you can sell easily. These are trusted partners. And next detail is about their market opportunities. You can compare, you can analyze, making it possible. So you can also check out the best sentiment analysis on the stable coin, on the real world asset, and there are multiple memes coin too. If you want to do sport trading, there is also like sport trading and future trading is the best option for the traders who are expert, who have a multi working experience. Then they can easily start their work on it, and there is open, long, close, whatever you want. There is asset also, like if you click on this arrow button, there are multiple assets are available in which you can start working. You can also check out the more details about their copy trading option, that is new feature, but this is more impressive, and there is 10% share of your follower profit will be given. So here you can check out, you can be one of the best P&L maker and profit maker, and you can also check out the reward center too, where you can invite your friends. You can also make your account, and then you can go ahead for the reward where newcomer tasks are also available. So if you want to join this campaign, as well as your referral and welcome bonus is going to providing, so you can copy this link, spread it out, and social media link to get your friend and make your team make the passive income also. If you are new on the for the first time, then there is available 5,500 USDT rewards for the newcomer. There you have to do registration, your KYC, your complete trade, and then you can also start a selection prize pool where you will be given all these voucher for your future trading, and there is mega reward for the people who need such a big opportunity. Then there is a big benefit on the Kickstart 2025. So join, and right now I hope you have cleared how to start working on such a big project. And if you want to know more details, you can join them on their social media links like Twitter, Telegram, where every information is going to be shared, so you can make right decision, and you can work on a big project, and you can also be one of the community member where everything is going to be shared on the time. See you soon next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.